Okay, here's the Oklahoma City 2026 tornado. You can see it's pushing past right there. Got super windy. All sorts of dust kicking up now. Hearing sirens in the background, starting to get some rain, some hail. This is part 2 from the first video. You can see those flags just really whipping. Lots of wind, lots of craziness. People trying to run storm shelters. Looks like it's starting to clear up.